So dbrand is suing Casetify, or whatever their name, how they're called, for stealing their design. What a horrible thing to do, right? But before you get your pitchforks, listen to the full story. And I know my hot take, my opinion will not be popular. I will not defend one company over the other. I will just lay out the facts as I observe them. And while I'm filming this video, this is to let you know that I just placed an order for another dbrand skin for my iPhone 12 mini, the something design, which is based on nothing. So I'm not here bashing dbrand or whatever, I'm just saying the facts. Now on the surface, if you look at things, it's a straightforward. Casetify copied the design of dbrand, which they worked hard. Jerry rigs everything, made a video about it, how he got robbed and whatever. So let's look at the facts. The design Casetify stole allegedly is the scan of an internal of a phone. Now, the internal of the phone itself is not that big of a deal. I know that Jerry rigged everything, made a video saying how hard it is to scan and whatnot, made it like it's a very big deal. And yes, it does take time and effort to scan and edit, but at the end of the day, he did not design the thing. He just basically, to make things simple, took a picture of an inside of a phone and made a dbrand sticker with them. Of course there's skill, of course there's set, but basically he did not create the thing. That's fact number one. I don't care how hard it is to make, how thousands of hours, like he put it, which is a stretch if you think about it, design. Now, what Casetify did is they copied the design, which he did not create, but he put his name and some joke date about dbrand's inception. They copied that as well, so it's clear that they copied that thinking this is an internal of the phone or computer. They did not even bother themselves to check, which is pathetic. Now in that part, yes, he has a case, but saying that he spent this much time on a design, which is basically his name and date, the rest is just a picture of inside of a computer or phone. If anything, he's also making money of someone else's design. He did not draw or create original design. His whole channel is opening phones, beating them with a hammer, and that's it. Now, this is obviously a joke. He does things, tests them, durability, but he's not doing anything groundbreaking. Now moving on to dbrand's hypocrisy. What is it, you may ask? Dbrand are now, along with Jerry, quick to scream that they stole our design and whatnot, when they themselves made money of illegal designs. They stole the Animal Crossing branding, made dbrand skins for the Switch using Animal Crossing. They made illegal money of someone else's design, and now they're screaming that they got robbed because of a name, let alone the other problem they had with Sony, the PS5 plates, which is a gray area. But the Animal Crossing was a rip-off. They even named it not Animal Crossing. So there is no way around it. It is ironic and hypocritical to scream that someone copied a design which is not 100% yours to begin with, while you yourself are stealing others' designs. Don't you think so? And once again, I'm not bashing the company, but I'm here to say that a lot of people who talked about it are making it one-sided thing. They stole their design, they're bad, yeah. But there are other details, context matter. Now I'm not justifying Casetify's thievery or whatever. They deserve what's coming to them. I always thought their cases were overpriced. Even the brand skins are overpriced, to be honest. But it's not like they stole. They thought that this is full internal of the phone. Had the internals not have Jerry's name and dbrand's date, the case would have been most likely rejected. Yes, they should do it themselves, scan the inside of a phone computer, but the whole thing is not created by the brand of Jerry, once again, to hammer the point home. Now, what do I personally think should be done? I don't know. They have a case, but they're over exaggerating of the damage they did and how long it took them to do it, while they themselves have a history of thievery. So just wanted to lay things out because a lot of people don't know this, and you can still go and see legacy skins that dbrand sells. They even say that their lawyers advise them not to sell them. So that's what I wanted to say, and take those facts as you may. Nothing is black and white as the YouTubers and dbrand want you to think. And for the final time, I just place an order, so it's not just I'm doing dbrand a disservice or bashing them. I like their designs, the limited edition designs. The other normal designs are boring. So there is that. Let me know in the comment section what you think should be done, and I'll talk to you in my next video.